Hello, I welcome all of you to my channel. Today's grammar topic is tense. So, are you all ready? Can we start? Let's get started. Okay. Now, first question, fill in the blanks. Past, present and future tense. Okay, first part is fill in the blanks. Okay, the first question. She dash in the park every evening. Okay, so you have to put a word from these options and it should be in present simple tense. Okay, your options are plays, played, will play, playing. Okay, these are the four options. Make sure your option should be in the present simple tense. Okay, so which one it is? It is option A. She plays in the park every evening. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. They dash a movie last night. Here are your four options. You have to choose the option which is in the past simple tense. Okay, these are your options. Watches, watched, watching, will watch. These are the four options. Which word should I put in this blank? It is option B. They watched the movie last night. Next question. I dash to the zoo tomorrow. Here are your options. Went, goes, will go, going. These are the four options. Which option should I put in this blank? The option should be in future simple tense. It is option C. I will go to the zoo tomorrow. The next question. The birds dash in the sky now. Your options are fly, flying, are flying, will fly. These are the four options. Choose the option which is in the present continuous tense. It is option C. The birds are flying in the sky now. Question number 5. He dashed his homework before he went to bed. Options are finished, had finished, finishes, will finish. These are the four options. Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? Choose the option which is in the past perfect tense. Okay, it is option B. He had finished his homework before he went to bed. So we have reached part 2. Part 2 we are choose the correct verb form to fill in the blanks. Okay. My brother dash very happy yesterday. Which word should I put over here? Is, was, will be, were. These are the four options. Which one should I put in this blank? It is option B. My brother was very happy yesterday. We dash our lunch at 1 p.m. every day. These are your options. Eat, ate, eaten, eating. These are the four options. Which one should I put in this blank? It is option A. We eat our lunch at 1 p.m. every day. Next sentence. She dash a cake right now. Your options are is baking, was baking, will bake, bake. These are the four options. Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? It is option A. She is baking a cake right now. Question number 9. Next year, they dash a new car. Your options are buy, bought, will buy, buying. These are the four options. Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? It is option C. Next year they will buy a new car. Okay, question number 10. The baby dash when he is hungry. Your options are cries, cried, will cry, crying. These are the four options. Which one should I put in this blank? It is option A. The baby cries when he is hungry. Okay? Okay, we have reached part 3. Part 3 instruction to solve the questions are change the sentence to the correct tense. Okay? Now first question, she sings beautifully. Change to past tense. You have to change the sentence to past tense. These are the options. Sings, sang, singing, will sing. So these are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option B. She sang beautifully. Okay. Next sentence. They played football. Okay. Now you have to change the sentence into future tense. So your options are play, playing, will play, played. Choose one of these options to change the sentence into future tense. Okay. So which one are you going to choose? It is option C. They will play football. Okay. Question number 13. He will go to the market. Okay. This is the sentence. You have to change the sentence to present continuous. Okay. Here are your options. Choose one option to change the sentence into present continuous. Your options are went, is going, will go, going. These are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option B. He is going to the market. Question number 14. The cat is sleeping under the table. This is the sentence. You have to change it into past continuous. Your options are was sleeping, will sleep, sleeps, slept. These are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option A. The cat was sleeping under the table. Okay. Next question, question number 15. I had finished my work. Now change the sentence into present perfect. Here are your options. Finished, has finished, have finished, will finish. These are the four options. Which one is the correct option? It is option C. I have finished my work. Okay. Okay, so we have reached part 5. Here the instruction to solve the question is identify the tense of the given sentence. Okay. Okay, the first sentence. She has written a letter. Now, which type of sentence is it? Is it a present perfect? Is it past simple? Is it future simple? Or is it past perfect? Which type of sentence is the above sentence? It is option A, present perfect. Question number 17. They were dancing at the party. Here are your four options. You have to identify which type of sentence is the above sentence. Past continuous, present continuous, future continuous, past perfect. These are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option A, past continuous. Question number 18. We will visit our grandparents next summer. Which type of sentence is this? Is it past continuous, future simple, present continuous, or past simple? Which type of sentence is the above sentence? It is option B, future simple. Question number 19. The sun rises in the east. Your options are present simple, past simple, future simple, present continuous. These are your four options. Which one is correct? It is option A, present simple. Question number 20. He had eaten lunch before the guest arrived. Which type of sentence is it? Is it a past perfect? Is it present perfect? Is it future perfect? Or is it past simple? Which type of sentence is the above sentence? It is option A, past perfect. Okay. With that, we come to the end of this exercise. Please like and subscribe to my channel in order to see more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.